Hi, my name is Derek Hudson. I'm the winemaker for the Richibuto River Wine Estate. We're located just south of Rexton, New Brunswick, and we sit on a 20-acre vineyard, locally grown, locally produced. We do most of the work here ourselves with a small crew of 3 people, and so it's very, very tight-knit, very low, low overhead. I'm the winemaker, so I'm the only guy that works inside here, and I handle the sales and the tours and everything. So, you'll see me over and over again if you come back. Buy local for good means to me buying from local producers, farmers, us winemakers. I guess we're kind of farmers too, and just supporting the community. Our products are in Sobeys, superstores, some co-ops, local kind of IGAs. I think we're in 28 AMBL locations. Here too. You can buy our wines here at the store location. When you come and get a tour, do a tasting, or if you're in St. John, you can go to the city market and taste our wines there. I mean, 2020 was our best tourism season ever. And that sounds crazy, but the way New Brunswick pushed the staycation, right? Everybody who was going to France, they were going to Greece, they were going to Italy, or on a cruise even, they couldn't. So they had to come here, and since we're, small Greece, they were able to get their winery tourism experience close to home. Happy New Brunswickers like our wines, for sure.